In this quick video guide, we're gonna see a plugin for Blender or add-on that can help us to create interior design and assign some materials and also bring in some assets like appliances or furnishing pieces of furniture. Let's see how it's done. It can be really helpful if you need to do a quick interior. And you can also create walls, by the way, and also insert doors and windows really easy, really fast, and everything is free. So first of all, let's just create a new general Blender. This is a Blender 3.5, so it's the Blender 3, essentially. And so let's get the add-on. And all you need to do, as usual, is search in the Google or other search engine. So I'm gonna search for Ohm Builder Blender. And this is gonna be here, the first result. So I'm gonna click on this link and it's gonna bring me right here. This is the main page. And this is also where we can find everything. So if you scroll down a little bit, first of all, you can see some presentation here. And also you can install Ohm Builder from here. So you need to download this file. So if you click here, you can download the zipped folder and then you can install it in Blender. You can see also, of course, you need to download and install the latest version of Blender before you actually can use any other add-on, and this one as well. So if you don't know how to download, install Blender, or if you have problems with Blender because you are a beginner, you can check our Blender video course in the channel, among other video guides about many other add-ons. Now, to install an add-on, we need to go up here to the Edit menu and click on Preferences. Then from here, we click on add-ons page and go to install. Click on install button and navigate into the folder where you downloaded the add-on right here. So this is the zip file. So you just need to select it and click on install add-on. Now I already installed it, so I don't need to click and install it again. But once you do that, you're gonna go back here on this page, and here you can search for Ohm Builder if it doesn't show up automatically. And this is the add-on. So all you need to do is click here and activate it. Okay, so you can see it's giving me some issues. So I'm just gonna remove it and I will reinstall it with you. So I'm gonna select this, install add-on, and there you go. You can see it's gonna appear automatically. And now it's also usually asking to restart. So probably the problem is right now that I need to reset. So I need to close and reopen Blender. Okay, so now we reopen Blender. Let's see if now it's fine. So I'm gonna go back here in the add-ons, search for Ohm Builder. There it is. Let's activate it, and now it's ready. Now you can also auto check for updates, or you can update automatically. And okay, yeah, we need to update to the 3.0.5. So we just need to wait, and there you go. Yeah, we need to restart. So I'm just gonna restart, and now we are back again in Blender. So if you have some issues, try to reset Blender. Now let's start with the cube. I don't want to get rid of the cube. I just want to stretch it to make some sort of pavement like this. And now on top of this, you're gonna build something with the Ohm Builder. So press N with your keyboard, or just click and drag this little arrow on the right to open up the sidebar. And from the sidebar, we can access the first panel on the top, which is the Ohm Builder panel. Now you can see you can create rooms, products, build openings and inserts, parts, and then you have like libraries, and you can build your own libraries. Then you have decorations or appliance, and then you have materials that you can apply to doors and furniture in general. But if you want more assets, more materials, more objects, you can also check the Blender Kit add-on, but this is in another video guide. So I'm just gonna concentrate on this in this video. So let's start to create a room. So we need some wall. So I'm gonna select the wall tool and I'm gonna use the draw wall. And I'm gonna start to draw on this platform. Now be careful, because before you start, you can set up the wall height. So I'm gonna set up this to 3, and the wall thickness will be 0.3, which is kind of the standard. So let's create this wall right here. There you go. So I don't need to be precise right now, just gonna show you how everything works, and it's gonna be like an introduction, an overview. So right click to exit, and this is the wall. So I can make this a little bit bigger. There you go. Now if we want to start to place things inside, let's see what we can do. So let's go to the next one, products. Now we have cabinets, appliances, doors, window, bathroom fixtures. Let's go to doors and window, and let's add a double door, for example. So I'm gonna click and drag, choose where I wanna place this. So let's say I wanna place it right here, and let's continue. So let's add a window. So I wanna add a window right here, and another small window right here, for example. And let's go to something else here. We can do like a kitchen, so we can build, and this is gonna snap to the wall, so it's really handy. So I can start to bring in all these modules for a kitchen and continue. Let's also insert some appliance, dishwasher, the oven, refrigerator, and so on. You get the idea. So also we have openings. So let me just bring this here, and then we can place inserts and parts. So you can see you can like customize everything really easy, really fast, without actually you modeling every single thing with the polygonal modeling in Blender. Now we can continue to add more things right here. So you have sofas, you have chairs, and of course you can also rotate the objects or scale or move however you want. And let's see some kitchens. So I can place some assets and details right here. And you can also work with materials. So for example, if you want to change the material to a place, you can click and drag, and you can see you can override all the parts of your model, or you can do override all. That's going to override everything. Now to see the materials, you can click on the third sphere right here. So you have you can see the materials. Now the objects already have materials applied. So if I select this door and go to the material, I can actually see here the material, and I can also change the color if I want and place whatever color. So this will be just again an introduction to the tool. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, because we're gonna create more video guides about Blender and about similar tools, and about architecture, interior design, and so on. And we already publish a lot of video courses and video guides about Blender, and also 3D software like 3ds Max or Cinema 4D or Rhino and so on. So check it in the channel. And if you want to support us, please join the channel as a supporter. So this will be all for this video guide. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next.